I'm Anil Kumar, and we are going to further explore the units for volume in this particular video. So the question here is, capacity of a tank with rectangular base is 6,000 liters. Find possible dimensions of this tank. Explain the choice of your units. So that is very important. Which units for length should you take so that you get 6,000 liters as the capacity of your rectangular base tank? So what we are considering here is a rectangular base tank. So base is rectangular, means it is kind of like this, right? So that is how it is. That is the tank. So if we need 6,000 liters, then what should be the dimensions of this tank? So that's the question for you. You can pause the video, answer, and then look into my suggestions. So when we say 6,000 liters, then what is the best unit to convert it into? That is big question. If you remember, 1 meter cube is equals to 1,000 liter. So when we have that big numbers, meter cube is a very good unit. So 1 meter cube is 1,000 liters. 6,000 liters should be 6 meter cube, right? So that is the volume or the capacity of tank which we are looking at. Now since that is the best unit to work with, we'll really find dimensions in meters. So the length, width and height is going to be in meters, right? So we'll put meters here. Now what combination can give us 6? So that means it could be 2 times 3 times 1 meter cube, correct? That is to say it could be 2 meters by, let's say, 3 meters by 1 meter. That could be one combination. So when you multiply these, you get 6, correct? So that could be one combination, or it could be 3 times 2 times 1, or it could be 6 times 1 times 1. So these are good numbers to work with, right? So we say, well, these are possible and there is no limit to this. You could have many different combinations which will give you 6 liters, right? So you could have half of 3, which is 1.5 times, you can double this one up, right? So that will also give you 6 meter cubes. You can multiply and check your answer. So there are so many different combinations, but the key here is to understand that 6,000 liters means 6,000 liters means 6 meter cube. And once you know that, then it's kind of simpler to answer this question. I hope you appreciate it. Thank you and all the best.